Hi everyone, I'm James. In this video, we will learn about option explicit. What is option explicit? Option explicit is a statement that you can use at the beginning of a module to force yourself to declare all the variables. When you add this statement, VBA shows you a compile error when you execute the code and also highlights the variable in the code that you need to declare. How to enable option explicit? Let's go to Excel, Preferences, and we can check and uncheck Require Variable Declaration. So let's check Require Variable Declaration. Let's have a look with the report. If we change the report name, so the correct variable name is report_name. For the company name, it should be company_name. This is being declared as public constant, company name as a string gem solution, public constant report_name as a string statement of account. So let's try to see what will happen. Let's click generate, and VBA was able to detect which variable is not being declared properly. What if we will not enable option explicit? Let's put a comment up and let's try to execute our code. Click generate and everything will be running, but the company name and the report name is not appearing in A1 and A2. Let us correct our code and run again our code. So let's go to developer, Visual Basic, and we will correct the report name. We will put underscore and company name underscore. Let's try to generate. Okay, everything is now working. So let's enable option explicit. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for you to be updated with my upcoming video. In the next video, I will teach you. We will learn about variable constants. Thank you and God bless.